paano mag-create ng free na link para your clients can book a call with you for your freelancing business. I really think that this would be helpful, lalo na kapag marami na kayong nakukuha na inbound clients, or it actually makes you look professional kapag meron ka ng isang link for people to book a one-on-one meeting with you. It's convenient, it's time-saving. I think nakakatulong din ito sa pag-improve ng communication. It again makes you look professional, and it's pretty flexible. So, pwede mo siyang i-adjust in such a way na magmamatch yung schedule mo or yun lang time na gusto mong mag-work. And it also help reduce no-shows sa mga appointments mo. And again, free lang ito. So, panoorin nyo hanggang sa huli. Ang tanging kailangan nyo lang dito ay Gmail. Tapos para makapag-create kayo, make sure na Chrome ang ginagamit ninyo na browser. So, open lang kayo ng Google Chrome. Pagkatapos, i-click nyo itong waffle icon dito sa taas. Itong 9 na dots na to, pack, and then click on calendar. Upper left side, click nyo lang create and then appointment schedule. If you want further tutorial, you can click on take a tour. But since familiar naman ako dito, all I have to do is, number 1, create a title. So, sasabihin ko na lang dito, one-on-one. Next, yung gaano katagal yung meeting. So, I would say 45 minutes. Tapos, mag-schedule ka na lang ng time na pwedeng mag-book sa'yo. So, for example, for the purpose of this tutorial, sabihin ko na lang available ako between 7 p.m. until 10 p.m. And I wanna copy to all time, Mondays through Fridays. Actually, alam mo, ayokong mag-book ng Friday. So, tanggalin natin yung Friday. And then, schedule window, they can schedule 60 days in advance up to 4 hours before. So, babaguhin ko to kasi ayoko nang may magi-schedule on the same day. So, lalagay ko 24 hours before. And then, book appointment buffer time. Gusto ko sana magkaroon ng at least 15 minutes na buffer per booking. And then, wala naman akong limit kung ilan yung kasya, ilaban lang. I think that is pretty much it. Add a co-host, ilalagay ko dito yung sarili ko. So anyway, after that, I click on next. And then, booking page, photo, and name. Sige, pwede nyo baguhin yan kung gusto nyo ilagay. Location and conference. I want it to create a specific Google Meet link. And then, pwede kayo maglagay ng description dito. So, kayo nang bahala mag-ano dyan. Sa booking form, first name, last name, email address. Pwede rin kayong mag-add pa ng ibang items kung anong gusto nyong ilagay dito na custom item. And then, kung may kailangan kayong singilin, kailangan lang nakakonect siya sa Stripe ninyo. After that, click on save. And there you go. Pwede nyo nang i-share tong link na to sa kung sino man yung gusto ninyong pagsandan. Pwede nyo ring i-click itong share na to para naman yun ang ilagay ninyo sa email signature niyo. Super easy, libre, pwede ninyong pagpraktisan kahit wala pa kayong ina-expect na mga client meetings or appointments. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!